continuation of my previous video on matrices. So today's topic is multiplication of two vectors. Multiplication of two vectors. Sorry, two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices or product of two matrices or product of two matrices. Let A comma B, capital A comma capital B, or any two matrices if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, then product of A into A and B, then A into B is defined. A is defined. So number of columns of A means number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, then AB is defined. Suppose if number of columns of B is equal to number of rows in A, then BA defined here. AB exists, the product BA exists. For example, if A is equal to, I am taking 2 by 2 matrix. If A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is equal to 0, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 2. Find AB, product of A and B. Solution is, you have to find AB here, A into B. A matrix is 2, 3, 1, 2. B matrix 0, 4, minus 1, 2. So what is the condition for multiplication? Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Here the order of first matrix is 2 cross 2 or 2 by 2, and the order of second matrix is also 2 by 2. So number of columns of first matrix, the rows here 2 represents columns. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix are equal, then multiplication of A and B is exist. So here 2 is equal to 2. Here number of columns is equal to number of rows. Therefore, AB, multiplication of A and B exist. How to find AB here? 2, 3, 1, 2. 0, 4, minus 1, 2, which is equal to the first row, second row, first column, second column, first row, second row, first column, second column. Here multiplication is defined as first row by first column, first row by first column, 7 shape, first row by first column. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. Then first row by second column. First row by second column. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Plus 3 into 2. Now second row by first column. 1 into 0 plus 2 of minus 1. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 into 0, 0, plus into minus, minus, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 4, 8, plus 6, that's 0, plus into minus, minus 2, minus 2, 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0 minus 3 minus 3, 8 plus 6 14, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 4 plus 4 8. Therefore, product of A and B, AB is minus 3 14 minus 2 8. This is the multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. Multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. So let us take another example on 3 by 3 matrix. For example, if A is equal to 0 1 2 1 2 3 2 3 4 and B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 1, then find AB, BA. Find AB and BA. Solution is AB matrices are given here. B is not a square matrix. You have to find AB and BA. What is the condition for multiplication of two matrix? Number of rows, number of columns. Number of columns of A is equal to number of rows in B, not B. A into B. Order of A is here 3 cross 3, 3 by 3. Here 3 rows are there and 3 columns. For matrix B, number of rows are 3 and number of columns 2. Now here number of columns, here 3 represents rows, next 3 represents columns. Rows, columns. Number of columns of A, is 3 is equal to number of rows of B, 3. Number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B, 3 equal to 3. Then hence AB exists. Now AB is equal to, here A is 0 1 2 1 2 3 2 3 4. B 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 1, which implies the first row by first column. First row by first column. 7 shape. Remember this. 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Now first row second column, 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Second row by first column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2, 1 into minus 2. Second row by second column, 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. Now last row is third row by first column. Third row by first column, here 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2. Next third row by second column, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 1, which implies 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus minus, plus into minus minus, 1 into 1 1 here, plus 2 into 2 4, 0 into anything 0, plus again 0, plus of minus minus 2, here 1, minus 2 plus 6, and minus 2 plus 0 minus 3, 2 minus 3 plus 8, minus 4 plus 0 minus 4, which is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 plus 6, 5, minus 2 minus 3, minus 5, minus 1 plus 8, 7, minus 4 minus 8. Here we will get a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 rows and 2 columns. We will get a 3 by 2 matrix. Next we have to find a BA. This is the value of AB. Now we find a BA. To find the BA, B into A. So the condition is number of columns in first matrix. Here first matrix is B. Number of columns in B is equal to number of rows in second matrix A. Then BA exists. BA exists. So number of columns in B is, here A, order of B is, order of A is 3 by 3. Order of B is equal to 3 rows, 2 columns, here 3 by 2. So B into A. Order is here 3 by 2. Order of A is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. So the condition is number of columns in B. Number of, this represents, 3 represents rows, 2 represents columns. Rows, columns. Number of columns in B. Number of columns in B is 2. Number of rows in A. The number of rows in A is 3. 2 is not equal to 3. That is, number of columns in B. Number of columns in B is not equal to number of rows in A. Therefore, BA does not exist. Hence, BA does not exist. It's the multiplication of two matrices.